On the wall here, we've got a full-length portrait by the major 17th century artist, Diego Velázquez. And it's a portrait of Pedro de Barberana, who was made a Knight of Calatrava shortly before this painting was made. And he's wearing the insignia of the Knights of Calatrava on his chest here. The painting depicts this man as though he just walked into our space. No one could paint people as lifelike as Velázquez. He captures their personality. He is very much a painter's painter. It's one of our greatest paintings from the Spanish collection at the Kimball.